Hi, I'm Tricia, and this is my channel, Minivan Journeys. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to comment and share.
Okay guys, I'm tackling the back of the van, and it's so humid out here, I'm sweating already, but I'm not gonna complain. Yesterday, I went to the beach, ended up with severe leg cramps. Today I've been taking potassium, magnesium, calcium, drinking lots of water. So I'm not gonna stay out here long, but yeah, I'm gonna tackle this van and see if I can get the back of it organized a little bit and go back inside. I know this looks a hot mess, but I'm cleaning out the back because I bought a new addition that I showed on the other video, the table. So I'm taking everything out of that storage ottoman here and trying to organize it, put the table back, but take the storage ottoman out. So, and this is a hot mess that I have going on. Everything's pushed everywhere. So I'm gonna get to it. And unfortunately, I don't have a tripod, so I can't hold it up while I work. So I'm gonna do a little work and then I'll come back. Now everything is out of the storage ottoman, and I have to admit that I forgot that I had some of this stuff because it was always packed in the storage ottoman that I never ever opened. So I have actually repurchased some of these things and used them inside the van without realizing that I already had some. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. This is where I am so far in the organization part. I actually need some maybe taller bins than these, but for right now, these will do. And I'm going to put the table on top of it. Some of these things are redundant, like the batteries. I have an area for batteries inside the van over there. So I'm going to put those there, and actually kitchen things are over there, but I think I'm going to leave those there because they're bulkier. My plates and cups, extra plates, cups, and all that. So this will just be my tool shed in that area, although I have a hacksaw in there. So it's a process. I'm gonna continue working on it. I put everything tent related, my tent poles, some stakes, some tarp, some twine or whatever you call it, paracord, multi-purpose rope. I put all that over there. So that back area, I guess, will be like my tool shed. And here are supplies and cleaning supplies and tape and my bathroom stuff. And I guess I put my portable toilet on this side. But I'm gonna put my table. This is my car cover that covers the entire vehicle. But in my head, I plan to use it when I'm out boondocking in the sun, so to protect against the sun. And this, I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to put the table in first. So the table's back in. I've set the pillows back in. Kind of messy. The inside is still messy. I have a tapestry sitting on top that I wanted to try and attach to the top of the van, but then I have all those lights and air vents, but even though the air conditioner doesn't work, I was wondering if I should just cover them up or cut the holes out and put those pieces back in. Then I have to take all the greenery and the lights down first, so it's not gonna happen today. So that tapestry is gonna be there for another day. Just cover that up so you won't see it. So yeah, okay. So I think I'm just going to, so that's it. So I think I'm gonna shove this car cover under there like I've shoved the portable toilet and the air conditioner, and put that on the side. That tapestry will stay there for another day because that's a lot of work. But yeah, if I can get that in there. So it's not the neatest thing, but I like it over the storage ottoman so I can actually see what's in there, because usually that storage ottoman, I never opened it, never knew what was in it. So here we go. I'll talk to you guys later.